Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest ideas of Pixie haircut with side bang. So beautiful ideas of cut with attractive and stylish hair dye. So beautiful ideas of hairstyling and many much more ideas of Pixie with side bang for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in Pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. The latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. And very beautiful attractive collection of bang, chin length bang, nose length bang. So stylish ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and so beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color with dark base color, and some ideas of highlights in funky color with light base color. Beautiful collection of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, wavy and curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler. And very beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And very stylish collection of messy hairstyle and many much more ideas of choppy hairstyling and cropped hairstyling. And so beautiful overall collection in Pixie in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope to do it. Bye bye.